Hi students, welcome to mathematics online classes. Today we are going to continue the previous class. Yesterday we have learnt what is a coordinate point and how to we are plotted the given points. Now in this class we will learn what is the distance between any two points. Okay, in previous classes we have learnt it is the x-axis. So x-axis is a x, o, x dash is called a x-axis, and y, o, y dash is called a y-axis. Y-axis. And also the equation of x-axis is y equal to 0 and the equation of y-axis is x is equal to 0. Now plot the given points on the plane. Plot the given points on the plane. So here a, that is 2 comma 0, 3 comma 0, 0 comma 0 and minus 2 comma 0, minus 1 comma 0. These points are we are we are located in this Cartesian plane. How to we are located? So 2 comma 0. So 2 comma 0. So here on x-axis is 2, on y-axis 0. So this is the 2 comma 0 and 3 comma 0. 3 comma 0. So this is the 3 comma 0 and 0 comma 0 and minus 2 comma 0, minus 2 comma 0, minus 1 0 on x-axis minus 1, this is 0. So here you observe here on x-axis y value is, so here y coordinates are 0, y coordinates are 0. That is the equation of x-axis. That is the equation of x-axis. That means on x-axis y value, y coordinate is 0. And you are plotted the points 0 comma 3, 0 comma 1, 0 comma 0, 0 minus 3, 0 minus 2 on a Cartesian plane. How to? So 0 3 on a x-axis 0, y-axis is a 0 3. This is a 0 3. Next 0 1 on x-axis 0, y is a 1. This is a 0 1. Next 0 0. This is a 0 comma 0. Next 0 minus 3 on x-axis 0, y-axis minus 3. 0 comma minus 2 on x-axis 0, on y-axis is a minus 2. Here you observe here x coordinates are 0. X coordinates are 0. That means x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. So here what you observe on y-axis x values are 0. On y-axis x values are, x coordinates are 0. So note the equation of x-axis is y equal to 0 and the equation of y-axis is x is equal to 0. Now plot the given points on the plane. So these points we are plotted in the plane. How to we are plotted? So first here a 3 comma 2, 1 comma 2, minus 1 2, minus 2 2. So here on x-axis is 3, on y-axis is 2. So this is the x coordinate, this is the y coordinate. So x is a 3 and y is a 2. These both are intersecting here. This is a 3 comma 2. Next 1 comma 2. here on x-axis 1, on y-axis 2. This is the 1 comma 2. Next minus 1 2, minus 1, this is the 2, minus 1 2, and minus 2 comma 2, minus 2 2. So these points are we are line joining from the x-axis, from the x-axis. How much distance? That is the 2 units. From x-axis, how much distance? 2 units. So here this line is parallel to x-axis. This line is parallel to x-axis. So here which values, which coordinates are constant here? That is a y is 2, here y is 2, y is 2, y is 2. And so here 2 is a y value, that equal to y equal to 2. Y equal to 2 line is parallel to x-axis here. And now, but what is the equation of parallel to x-axis? So here we will take the, we know the, this is the distance is 2 units, and unknown is we take the k. That is the equation of parallel to x-axis. So what is the equation of parallel to x-axis? Is y equal to k. Y equal to k. And you are plot these points 3 comma 4, 3 comma 1, 3 minus 1, 3 minus 3. So 3 on x-axis, this is the x coordinate, this is the y coordinate. On x-axis 3, and on y-axis 3 4, 3 comma 1, on x-axis 3, y-axis 1, 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1, and 3 minus 3, 3 minus 3. We are line joining these points. So this is the parallel to y-axis. This is the parallel to y-axis. How much distance? That is the 3 units. How much distance? 3 units. So this parallel line is how much distance from y-axis? 3 units. And so here you observe here which coordinates are constant. X coordinates are constant. So x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3 is parallel to y-axis. So now what is the equation of parallel to y-axis? That is x is equal to k. Now distance between 2 points. Distance between 2 points. Now the distance between 2 points A x1 comma 0 and B x2 comma 0 is modulus of x2 minus x1. Modulus of x2 minus x1. So modulus is always represent the positive number. So suppose we take modulus of 2 minus 4, that is equal to minus 2. That is always represent a positive number. Modulus of 6 minus 4, that equal to 2. Modulus of 2 is 2. So this is the, we call it absolute value. So the absolute value of 6 minus 4 is 2. The absolute value of 2 minus 4 is 2. So here this symbol is always represent the positive sign. Now the distance between 2 points, that is A x1 comma 0, B x2 comma 0 is equal to square modulus of x2 minus x1. For example, we take what is the distance between 2 comma 0 and 4 comma 0. These points are we are plotted on a Cartesian plane. So here 2 comma 0, this is a 2 comma 0, and what is the 4 comma 0? This is a 4 comma 0. So what is the distance between? That is the 2 units. 2 units. That is the difference between x coordinates. This is we take x1, y1. This coordinate point we take x2, y2. So here x2 is a 4, x1 is a 2. That is x2 minus x1, 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 equal to 2 units. And second one, the distance between 2 points A 0 y1, B 0 y2, that equal to modulus of y2 minus y1. And now the distance between 2 points A x1 y1 and B x2 y1, B x2 y1 on a line parallel to x axis is modulus of or absolute value of x2 minus x1. So you observe here A x1 y1, B x2 y1. So here which coordinates are equal? Y coordinates are equal. So y coordinates are equal, then that is a parallel to x axis. Their distance is a x2 minus x1, x2 minus x1. And also the distance between 2 points A x1 y1, B x1 y2 on a line parallel to y axis is y2 minus y1, modulus of y2 minus y1. For example, the distance between 2 points A 4 comma 2 and B 4 comma 5. Here you observe x coordinates are equal. X coordinates are equal. So it is a parallel to y axis. Their distance is 5 minus 2 is 3 units. That is a y2 minus, so this is we take x1 y1, this is we take point x2 x1 y2. So here their distance is a y2 minus y1. Now we are plotted these points on a Cartesian plane, 4 comma 2 on x axis 4, on y axis 2. These points are intersecting in this. This is a 4 comma 2 and 4 comma 5 on x axis 4, on y axis 5. So how much distance between these 2 points? Here to here 1, 2, 3. There is a 3 units. So this line is parallel to y axis. Now I will give some question for you. You do these problems. So what is the distance between 5 comma 0 and 3 comma 0? And what is the distance between 0 minus 1 and 0 4? What is the distance between 4 comma 6 and 1 comma 6? And what is the distance between 1 comma 3 and minus 1 minus 4? You do these problems. Next we will continue the class.